Hello and welcome to day 86 of the 100 Days Challenge. Today I continued with what I was missing from the game, that it's the settings page. I just was procrastinating on this one because I didn't feel like doing it, but yeah, I finally did it. And basically what I did is I created this page that has a settings plus the label sound that has a checkbox, or a check button that is a toggle. Then I have a settings. I'll just listen and connect the press and toggle events from the sound toggle. That basically what it does is change the global controller. Also within the global controller I update the sound toggle and I click on the save game every time I change it, so this way I save this into the game resource. I had to update the methods to make sure that also we take the sound toggle both when saving and loading, and it meant that the game data needed to add this new property. And later in the main level, we just at the very beginning I had to change the bass for the different things. So I have the 4 sounds that the players that reproduce the different sounds, so I set all the bass to master and I just set the bass to mute depending on the global controller sound toggle. And with that, this is the final result. I go into settings, I have that enabled. It looks different if I interact with this in a mobile or in the laptop, but yeah, I have it enabled. So I'll first do the disable part. I go back, I play the tutorial, that it's the easiest one. We will wait. The thing is, we will not hear anything, not the music, but neither the sound effects for the turns, so we don't hear anything here. Also, yeah, I think there is this kind of bug that if I interact before the swipe dialog appears, it has some issues, but this is because I already did this a lot of times and I do it quite fast. For a user, it's not expected to happen, I guess. So nothing has sound, then I enable the sound, I go back to the tutorial again, we wait the same 10 seconds and then we'll hear different things, both the music and the sound effects for the turns. So 1, 0, and here you can see that everything sounds, from the music to the sound effects and finally the goal music. And yeah, that's all. I think that now I have done everything. I think I could twist a bit the levels, and I think that this is what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. So now we have 10 levels, but they are not real levels that go from easy to harder, so I'll be working on the actual game design on the levels, and by tomorrow I hope to have a final game ready to deliver, and the day after I would try to publish it into each IO so that I can get some feedback also in my social media to see how it goes. That's all for today. Worth mentioning that there's been a new subscriber in the channel, so yeah, when you have been for 87 videos publishing every day, well, actually only 86 days publishing, the other one are for other things, those small things like 1 subscriber means a lot. So yeah, thank you so much. If you've watched this video, I hope you subscribe, and this gives me energy to continue with the missing 14 days. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.